Welcome students. Today in this video we are going to discuss the divisibility rules by 8. So without actual division, how we can say any number to by another number, it can be divisible or not. So we want to learn divisibility rule, then we can easily say without actual division any number can be divisible by another number or not. So how to say the number it can be divisible by 8 or not. So the rule is number formed by last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Means here I am taking example number. In this number last 3 digits you have to take and check it is divisible by 8 or not. If it is divisible by the 8, the whole number it can be divisible. So let me check. 2968, the last 3 digit is 968. Okay, so last 3 digit 968, we have to check it is divisible by 8 or not. So 1 8 is 8, remainder 1, then 6, 2 8s are 16, then 8, 1 8 is 8, so remainder 0. So means the last 3 digits I have checked it is divisible by 8, so the whole number it can be divisible by 8. So it can be divisible by 8. So let me check another number. So take last 3 digit and divide by 8. Let me take 2 digits as 2 digits because dividend is small, divisor is big. So let me take 2 digits. 8 4s are 24. Sorry. 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Remainder 1. Then 66. Take down one. So 2 8s are 16. Remainder 0. So this is also it can be divisible by 8. So let me check another example. So last 3 digits. So let me take 2 dividend. So 8 4s are 32. So remainder 6. Then take down 4. 8 8s are 64. So I checked the last 3 digit. It can be divisible by 8. So the whole number it can be divisible. Let me check another example. So 568. So let me take 2 digits as a dividend. So 8 5s are 7 8s are 56. Then 0 8 downside. So 1 8 is 8. Then remainder is 0. So this is also it can be divisible by 8. So I hope you understand. This is the way without actual division we can say a number can be divisible by 8 or not. Let me discuss the divisibility by 9. So without actual division, how we can say any number can be divisible by 9 or not. So the rule of 9 divisibility, the divisibility rule of 9 is sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then it is divisible by the whole number divisible by 9. Means here I am taking some example number. So sum of the digits, it means each and every numbers we call as digits. Means 8 is a digits, 5 as a digit, 6 as a digit, 8 as a digits. So we have to add all the digits. Then total of the digits, if it is divisible by 9, then whole number it can be divisible by 9. Let me find how to divide by it is divisible by 9 or not. So sum of the digit means I told you 8 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8 is equal to, means 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 6 19, 19 plus 8 27. So 27, we want to check is it divisible by 9 or not. How to check? So simply divide 27 and 9. 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27. So 3 9s are 27, means the number 9 is completely divisible. So we can say the whole number can be divisible by 9. So the number 9 can be divisible by 8568. Okay. So let me take another example. So first we have to find the sum of the digits. So 6 plus 5 plus 9 plus 0 plus 2 is equal to 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 9 20, 20 plus 0 20, 20 plus 2 22. So 22 can be divided by 9 or not. Let me check. 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27. So it is not divisible by 9. So we can say it is not divisible by 9. Okay. So let me take another example. So first we have to find out the sum of the digits. So 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 is equal to 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 6 17, 17 plus 7 24. So 24, it is not divisible by 9. Okay. 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27. So it is not divisible by 9. Let me see another example. So first we have to find the sum of the digits. So 6 plus 9 plus 3 plus 8 plus 4 is equal to 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 8 26, 26 plus 4 30. So 30 it's not a multiple of, it is not divisible by 9. So let me check. 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36. So it is not divisible by 9. So the whole number not divisible by 9. So this is the way you can check the divisibility of 9. Okay students, we discussed divisibility 8, 9. Let me discuss divisibility 10. Okay, so what is the rule of divisibility 10? The digit in the ones place is 0. That number, whole number, it can be divisible by 10. If we see some example, in ones place, here 0 is there. So the 90, it can be divisible by 10. It can be divisible by 10. If you see in 510, in ones place there is 0. So this number, whole number, it can be divisible by 10. So another example, 659020. In ones place there is 0. So the whole number can be divisible by 10. So if you see in the ones place there is no 0 but 4 is there. So it is not divisible by 10. So this is the way we can say any number can be divisible by 10 or not.